There are two stages. There are two steps for Facebook review process. Anyway, meron kang sound. Ma'am Melanie, baka sa aking connection, it's probably yes. Anyway, the people inside in the 21 days Facebook Ad Challenge can get the recordings. This is recorded right now, all right? So, but I'm sorry to the others, the rest will not get it because this is a privileged video for my students, okay? Thank you very much, but just keep focusing uh, on the tutorial kasi po, it's really very valuable. Hindi to basta, well, I did it myself. This is how I analyzed all my ads and the way it's going. This is how I came up. This is what I came up, okay? So, dalawa ang review process ni Facebook. First, ipapakita ko sa inyo how it works. When you publish an ads, ito galing to kay Facebook mismo, itong nakikita nyo sa screen nyo, ini-screenshot ko lang yan. And this is from Facebook itself. When you publish an ad, when you publish ads as part of a new campaign, your ads are submitted for review. On average, it's within 24 hours. You'll receive a notification letting you know if your ad is approved. If it's approved, we'll continue running your ad and you can see your results in the Ads Manager. Even though your ad may start delivering, ito ha, tandaan nyo to, even though your ad may start delivering, it can be subject to multiple levels of review and later be disapproved. Ito ay na-experience ko na, that's why I troubleshoot it kung bakit nangyayari yon. That's why also, that's another reason kaya po inaral kong mabuti yung Facebook review process. So, it can be, pwedeng tumatakbo na yung ads mo. Then after 2, 3, 4, 5 days, bigla nilang i-stop. Kasi may mga layers of review. One example is if your approved ad receives an unusually high number of negative feedback, such as people marking your ad as spam or hiding your ad, like katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, then the chance will be your ad will be stopped, get rejected, or worse, your ad account will be disabled. So, yun yung mga dahilan. Kaya, akala mo nakapasa na yung ad mo, no? Tumatakbo na. Pagising mo ng umaga, nakastop. Na rejected or disabled na yung ad account mo. There are ways to work around that. You can play it around, but make sure na you're not circumventing Facebook's policy. Kasi magagalit naman sila. Okay. Next is, eto yon, yung na-explain ko kanina. First, your ad will undergo, well, it seemed to me, I'm not really sure, but our ads will undergo a bot, a review bot. Kasi syempre, gaano tayo karami? We are millions advertising in Facebook. So, the review bot will check your ad, and if it finds flagged words, then hindi niya na yan ipapasa. Doon pa lang sa first stage. But then if nakapasa siya, so your ad will be running, but then pag dumaan na siya sa second stage at chinek na rin yung landing page, tapos yung experience, user experience, hindi maganda, then the chance of getting your ad stopped is very big. And also, again, getting your ads account disabled is also possible. So, hindi ko natutuwa ka na pumasa ka na sa ad. Maganda pa yung mga walang landing page. But still, it depends upon our niches, upon our businesses. If we really need a landing page, we cannot do anything about it. We have to have a landing page. And some people only need an ad kasi they can sell through Messenger. Messenger is another way. It's like a landing page. You can do everything inside, but you have to also be careful. And then, swerte yung iba if they have Shopify store. Because Shopify store, mag-advertise lang sila and then people will be redirected to their store. And after that, bibili na. Ganun lang kadali. Hindi, wala nang maraming, wala nang emails, wala nang nurturing, mga et cetera, et cetera. So, yun yung dahilan. Doon sa experiences na yon, doon na i-estimate yung estimated action rates na sinasabi ko. Itong sa advertiser bid, ito kung paano natin ginawa yung ad natin, ha? Inuulit ko. Ito paano natin ginawa yung ad natin, paano natin sinubmit. Ito naman kung ano ang response ng user doon sa ad. After nun, after niya ma-analyze ni Facebook lahat yan, saka kabibigyan Facebook ng presyo. Doon mo lang malalaman cost per click or cost per result. I think the bot is random, Sir Jong. Kasi, actually, is basically, I'm not saying this that I'm very sure about it, but it looks like it's like that. Mukhang random siya. Kasi, I have been trying to advertise a lot of, I've been testing, at napansin ko talaga, pag ginamit ko yung certain or specific word, na re-reject siya straight away. So, after ng tests ko, that specific word, hindi ko na siya ginagamit. So, I don't use passive income, I don't use online business, I don't use business word anymore. Pero others, if, well, some people probably have contested it to Facebook, Facebook representatives or staff, nakakapasa naman, it depends pa rin naman sa context. Kaya lang, once na na-reject ka sa first stage, parang nakakakaba na eh. Kasi ayaw mo magkaroon ng maraming rejection record because Facebook is taking it into account. Yes, I think so. Totally an AI, artificial intelligence. Yes, that's right. I agree. Okay. So, next is the positioning. Okay? So, the positioning is, yung sinabi ko kanina, the relevance of your ad. And then, well, I'm going to discuss each. All advert components, including any texts, images, or other media, must be relevant and appropriate to the product or service being offered and the audience viewing the advert. So, meaning, yung targeting mo, yung creative mo, yung ad copy mo, video, and the product that you are trying to promote, kailangan tamang audience ang pinapagpakitaan mo niyan. Okay? So, kailangan tamang audience ang nakakakita niyan. Because if not, you will have problems with the pricing or the ad cost, the ad spend, or getting banned or getting disabled and getting rejected again. So, that's one. Next is accuracy. Adverts must clearly represent the company, product, service, or brand that is being advertised. Kasi po, katulad ng mga affiliate marketers, let's say, etong example na to, ito sa maganda. You are promoting a book in Amazon. So, nag-Facebook ads ka. Ang pinapromote mo, yung book na nasa Amazon. And then, yung link nung book doon sa Amazon, yun yung nilagay mo. That is a no-no. Other than that, kailangan yung Facebook page name may connection din doon sa website name, doon sa domain name. If not, at least recorded siya na it is under one business manager. Kasi ganun po yung sa amin. So yung aking askjingo, the 21 days Facebook ad challenge, and then under lahat yan ng tabletop business manager. Kaya, yung redirection ko, it's Facebook ad challenge, but the redirection is to the tabletop website. Kaya, that is, but it's recorded. If Facebook is going to ask me, why am I doing that? I can substantiate my claim. Kasi nga, under ako ng business or I'm under an umbrella of tabletop. Okay, so you need to be very precise. If not, at least you can substantiate your claim. Okay, number 3, related landing pages. It's just about the same dun sa first and second. Kaya lang, there are little lines that draw the difference. The products and services promoted in an ads text must match those promoted on the landing page. And destination site must not offer or link to any prohibited product or service. So very clear naman. Kasi merong mga prohibited products sa Facebook. All you have to do is always familiarize yourself with the Facebook ad policy. Ang dali lang pong hanapin nun. Pag ginugol nyo, Facebook ad policy, makikita nyo kaagad. And kapag kabisado nyo na siya, madali na pong gumawa ng ad. Kasi alam mo na yung iiwasan mo. So, you have to learn positioning, and it's always depends on how you put your product accordingly and your ads and the targeting. Okay? So yung first kasi, yung user experience, gusto ko talagang maintindihan ng marami kasi it's really very important and it plays a vital role when we are doing Facebook ads. Okay?